The best Mother's Day present buyer, and by bad I mean good, and by good I mean good. Now let's talk about the visitor stay. That's right, little people. I got two crews both alike in dignity, and they gon' have to work it. No dignity. I like to beg. Hey, are these guys from real? Who are y'all anyway? We are the Super Sonic Crew. Supersonic girl. Oh, you mean like the song? And I want to make a supersonic man out of you. So do something now. All right, we'll give him a little bit. You know what? Right here, I got the boys with the toys to make them most nuts. The other grammar guy. The Sammy kids. Give it up for the big chick guys.
Enough talking, let's just battle!
Alright, y'all are ready to clash, huh? Cause these brothers with the beat seem about ready to smash! Alright, let's see which one of these two comes one time. And what your people team with us on the top. deal. Each of these crews is gonna go out and pick one person from the crowd. They're gonna teach you as much as possible. Then go head to head in a final battle royale. All right, let's get ready to roll. All right, I'm gonna join the Supersonic crew on this side. If you wanna make beats, join the Beat Shakers on this side. Don't be shy, come on around, come on around. It's a lot more fun at the front. All right, let's see what we have in the house today. Anyone here from China, make some noise! Now, hello, hello, don't be shy, it's a lot of fun, trust me. If you're from India, make some noise! I know there's more of y'all. Namaste. Hello, hello! All right, if you want to come up here, put your hand up in the air so we know that you want to come up here. Put your hand, oh, we got one right here. One right here. She's ready to go if you want to get her. I think you got this, Cupcake. I like your shirt. All right, let's see what we have on this side first. Hello, hello. Hi, what's your name? And where are you from? From Korea, everybody! Okay. You're going to be representing the Beat Shakers on this side. Let's see what we have on this side. What's your name? Fiona, where are you from? From Germany! All the way from Germany. Okay, welcome. All right, you're going to be representing the Supersonic crew on this side. Okay, we're going to start with your Beat Shakers. Drop that beat. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Hey! Yes, she's got it. Are you ready? We got this. 5, 6, 7, 8. You can do whatever you like. Just show us your best moves. You can also copy these boys. Checking it out. Hey, oh! And stop! Thank you. That was really good. Okay, we're gonna do another round to spice things up a little bit. You ready, Beat Shakers? Okay, let's get it. Okay. It's a little faster now. You want to join it when you're ready? Everybody else, let's clap out. Hey! Everybody, up! Everybody, up! Everybody, up! Say hey! Up! Say hey! She put her hands in the air. She's got muscles. Okay. Whoa! Ready? 3, 2, 1! It is now time to decide. So one of you make some noise for the crew you think should win. If you like what we're doing on this side, make some noise for the Supersonic crew. Ooh, okay. If you like what they were doing on this side, make some noise for the Beat Shakers. Oh, you know what? Y'all are getting crazy. I'm feeling a little crazy too. Because you know what? Supersonic crew, Beat Shakers, you both win.